Israeli Prime Minister Naftali Bennett has met Egyptian President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi for talks on the Israeli-Palestinian conflict and bilateral ties. This rare visit is a first by an Israeli leader to Egypt in a decade. The newly sworn-in Israeli Prime Minister Bennett, who took charge in June, said the talks covered diplomacy, security, and the economy. He said, and I quote, "We created a foundation for a deep connection going forward." He also praised Egypt for its stabilizing role in the region. A statement from the Israeli Prime Minister's office says, after more than 4 decades, the peace agreement between Israel and Egypt continues to serve as a cornerstone in Middle East security and stability. According to an Egyptian presidency statement, el-Sisi affirmed Egypt's support for all efforts to achieve comprehensive peace in the Middle East according to the two-state solution. In 1979, Egypt became the first Arab country to sign a peace treaty with Israel. Egypt has played a key role in mediating ceasefires between Israel and Palestinian groups in Gaza in various rounds of fighting. Recently, in May, there was an outbreak of violence again, leaving 225 people dead, mostly Palestinians, on the Gaza Strip. Analysts say that this meeting was a public display that the Israel-Egypt relationship was alive and kicking. Analysts also say that Egyptians want to demonstrate to the Americans their concerns potentially about the changes in foreign policy towards Egypt from the Biden administration, and therefore wants to show that it is friendly with Israel, a close US ally. Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.